welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey. So in this video today, I am just going to be showing you how I literally transformed my mantle from summer to fall to now Halloween. Literally, the mantle that I'm doing right now, this design is going to be up in November as well. Everything that I got is either from Walmart, it is thrifted, it's from Michael's, it's from Hobby Lobby, or like this lovely sign that I love was from Kirkland's, and I actually got it when it was 40% off. So now I'm just going to show you how I transitioned this into Halloween, and this literally will be up again in November. Alright, so we are starting with a fresh slate. So I literally took everything off. So now we just have the frame and the spider webs. So now I'm just gonna start to add everything back on top of the fireplace. Alright, so now I'm taking these flowers that I got from Michael's, and I just got one bunch because I knew that I would be able to break them apart, and that is exactly what I'm doing. So I added them to the glass jar that I had up there earlier, and then I'm going to add them sporadically onto the mantle. So now I'm going to take this little wall decor piece that I picked up from Goodwill a while back, and I'm going to add it to the back of my DIY frame that I made, and then again I'm going to add those leaves just around my skull, and I'm going to add this candle holder that I got from Michael's. So I swapped places with the glass jar just because I had the flowers on the other side, and then I'm going to add books to the end of that. So these books, I have to talk about them because I got them from this book fair, and I was like, oh my gosh, are you serious? I got them for $1, and some of them I got for 50 cents. And literally, if you go into like a vintage antique store, these books are going to cost way more than that. So I will say #score. So I just use these to add to the skull, like to prop it up a little bit, and to bring in some more browns onto my mantle. And then I added some more cobwebs to the bottom, and I did that on both sides of the mantle. Alright, so we are winding down this reveal. As you can see, I added these shutters to the back. This is actually a DIY I did last year, so any DIYs that are in this video that I did, I will have them linked down below so you can check them out. I'm loving this mantle. Literally, this is the first time I have decorated a mantle for Halloween, so I'm excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't checked out my latest video, you can check it out up here. Also, if you're not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!